What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So NIO was a massive gainer today, almost 8%. At one point it was probably 8%, but it closed slightly below it, and it looks like it's breaking out towards the upside. So that was expected, and I'll go over the reasons why. So I found this downward channel by connecting the swings on this side. Normally you do it on the resistance side, but the support side is holding really nicely right over here. So you can see that price was working downward, but not all downtrends and uptrends are created equal. You have to look at the angle of attack, and this was very shallow. So that tells me that we could see a reversal any second, or a breakout towards the upside. So when we hit this side of the channel, price was trying to work its way to the opposite side of the channel. So there was one large leg up right over here, and the second leg started right over here where it bounced from the mid $8 level. So the second leg is almost complete. The target is the 1150 level. So we'll see if that can be obtained from the bulls to reach the mid 11s. There's a good chance they can, because it looks like we're seeing a lot of momentum outward of this channel. So there was some resistance that price had to work past right here at this 1050 level, but since we're getting a breakout, there's a good chance this will probably continue, and we also have this potential uptrend channel coming into play. If it does come into play, then you clearly see that there's still room towards the opposite side of the channel. So right around this 1150 level would be a good target for price to stop and maybe potentially reverse momentarily. We could just continue trading up from here, but it's more likely we find resistance here, maybe get a small little pullback, and then for another leg up higher. So that's how it could play out. So it's looking pretty good for NIO, that we're seeing some bullish price action, and we're going to mark this 950 level because it was tested numerous times as support and resistance, and now we're back above it finding support. So basically NIO is finding support and resistance from these dollar price levels. You can see that the 950 was key, 1050, now 1150, maybe even 1250 will be a potential area of interest. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, it looks like NIO still has a little bit more room towards the upside in its leg higher, and there's a good chance it will find support for higher prices in the short term. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for NIO, and you can see that the massive structure was previously a downtrend, but the downtrend is coming to an end. Why? Because we broke outside the channel and we saw two pushes in that direction, which is very common. So we got to break up the channel. We had a push down right here. Second push down was unable to reach the target. Now we're reversing higher. So there's a good chance shorts will be trapped, and we're back above this key 950 level that was support in the past that turned into resistance. Now it looks like it's going to be acting as support once again. So it looks like the downtrend could be coming to an end because we're seeing some reversal signs. In a downtrend, price makes lower lows, lower highs, and you can see the price is unable to make lower lows. It's barely making it, and now it looks like we're reversing. We had a break of the channel, which shows signs of weakness in the angle of attack, and we're closing above the EMA. So it looks like the EMA is kind of curling over too. So this looks pretty good for a reversal, or at least a momentarily change in the trend. So this looks pretty good towards the upside. And if we surpass that 1150 target, the next target would be the $14 level. And why do I say the $14 level? Because there was a double bottom right over here. Price found resistance, so it looks like a major key level that price can come back to retest. So looking for that 1150 level and then that $14 level. So I'll give you guys an update next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.